Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am LynyceFinesseBeauty and you're here with me as Growing with Finesse. Today, this will be our part 1. Get ready with me. Full hair install, makeup. And this hair install is a protective style for me. So let me give you a little insight. It looks like I have a ponytail to the back, but that is actually a stocking cap. And I use some professional hair protectant from All Hair Bonding Glue, which is a clear solution that I apply to my hair before I apply the cap. And I also applied some wrap paper to save my edges because my hair is very, very thin. Self-care is the best care, and sometimes you have to DIY to save a couple of coins along the way. I love to do my hair and my makeup. I typically don't share all of it, but I'm here to share it with you guys. So hopefully you find something in this video that you like. I started on the back, but I decided that I wanted to create my invisible line in the front, so I started in the front, applying each weft very closely, and then I just measured each track and proceeded to lay the tracks. Hopefully you guys are doing well and in a good spirit. Right here I am going to add the closure piece. So I glued a circular piece in the top, and now I'm going to fill it with a weft that I'm actually binding together to fill the void or hole. I like to create my own closure, and it just fits and looks very professional when I'm done. Make sure everything is totally dry before moving to the next step. Always measure your track or weft before applying it or before cutting it, which is what I do, and it works. I like to keep my tracks very snug so that I don't have my quick weave feeling very loose. I want to make sure I have a very tight fit. So we're just going to continue to repeat the steps from the nape up. And as we get closer to the top, you'll see that everything is coming together and it's closing up as it should. Just keep that circular motion until you can no longer go in a circle. So now I'm going to do a half weft. So I'm going to take it around half, because behind the top install I don't have much room. So I'm just going to fill in the side. Until there's nothing visible to see. So we need to make sure that each track feeds up to the top. Be sure to get a very tight closure on that last track, because that's what's going to help with the dimension and the width and the shape of your piece quick weave. I'm totally surprised that it only took me 2 packs to complete this look, because I usually use 3. I didn't have to cut anything, which is really good. The length and the layers flow really good together. Alright, now we're going to start doing our makeup. And I'm starting off with my LynyceFinesseBeauty Brow Pomade. Sometimes I'm very precise when I'm applying my brows, but after you get used to applying them, it can look messy in the beginning, but it comes all together, guys. Trust me. Now we're going to clean the brows up with some concealer. This is probably one of my favorite parts outside of contour. I have a very round face and I like to have a stronger structure. A lot of people say I have a pie face. I love it. But when I apply my contour, it just gives me so much more. I don't wear makeup every day, but your girl be feeling herself, okay? And if you here for it, tap the like button, okay? I normally go in with a brush to clean up above my brows, but we're using the Fenty Beauty applicator that comes in the concealer. That's my lazy method, okay? Yes, honey. Sometimes you have to be lazy with it and still be cute, poppin', okay? I'm trying to serve face and body. Let's get it. I'm a big Fenty fan, and as you can see, my face is white. I tried the Milk of Magnesium for the first time today, and I'll let you guys know how and if it works for me. And I have been researching the ups and the downsides of using the Milk of Magnesium, and I'll let you know how I feel about it on our next video or in the comments. But right now, I think for me, it's giving me such a more flawless appearance or finishing look, and my skin feels really tight. So I would say it's dry. Highlighting is very beneficial because you don't want your face to be totally flat. So I love to highlight. I don't like to go too light, and I used to, and I thought I was the bomb doing it. But this new combination I have is so flawless. It fits, it works, and it looks great. I figured I'd just go with a basic neutral color and something that I can wear with whatever I put on, because I was undecided of our outfit of the day for today. So I just went with the brown, and it looks really good, and it's so smooth and creamy going on, guys. Like, the application is amazing. I love it. This is giving me such a chill feel. Like, I could totally rock it with a dress, tracksuit, jumpsuit, heel, or gym shoe. Girl, wait till she get into it. She about to get into it, okay? Don't miss this. Keep watching. If you guys like this get ready with me and you want a more detail, let me know in the comments, and I will definitely make that happen for my Growing with Finesse family anytime, any day. So just let me know. Drop a comment below and let me know. I never bake. I apply a little powder, Sasha Buttercup, and I brush it off. I am an Asian woman, and too much powder gives me cake face. That is a no for me, okay? But having the dimensions of the face, I love it. It just brings it all together for me. And you may see some shiny spots. And I have scars in my face, but that makes me me. I have some frown lines on my face, and I try to conceal them as best as I can because I have a really big smile and I love my smile. But what comes along with it, guys? Yeah, that part. So I do put and apply powder around to kind of give me that extra coverage that I need to make sure that I'm gonna make it through my work day, photo shoot, etc. I just went with a basic eyeliner today, nothing heavy, because we're gonna put on a light lash, which is from my eyelash collection at LynyceFinesseBeauty.com. So I felt like it was appropriate for this look. And I love the NYX black eyeliner. I struggle with finding eyeliners that don't crack. So if you guys have any suggestions, please drop them below. Help your sister out, okay? Thank you. I don't know. I'm kind of old school. Remember, I was born in the 80s. So I like a little eyeliner on my lips. And then I'm always trying to figure out a look to go with it. So a nude with a gloss on top always works for me. So hopefully I can pull this one off. I think I can. Rate me 1 to 10. What do you guys think about the lip color? Did it actually fit the look? I'm using my Lynyce Finesse eyelash applicator. I can apply them with my regular fingers, but sometimes it's hard to get in that crease with certain levels of lashes, whether they be small, medium, or large. And the applicator just helps me facilitate that process better. It can get into crevices that my fingers can't. And I know y'all know my fingers are big because you see it on the camera, okay? Thank you. Embrace where you are. Hello. Hey. I like to spray a lot of setting spray because I want it to break down the powders that I put on top of my liquid foundation or concealer. So you may see me spray several times because I need it all to settle as it should. That's the second time. My motto is dry, 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 settle. Guys, I'm totally in love with this look. Hopefully you see something here that you like. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel because we are here to grow and being active is part of what we do. Hopefully you love it, guys. My lighting might be a little off, but as we proceed, we will get better. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel so you can be in the know when I drop the next video. Please be sure to hit the notification bell so you will be notified as well. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.